Hey guys, it's Natalia. Welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we made these wooden farmhouse shelves for our bathroom. It'll be a step-by-step tutorial. We got our wood at Home Depot. It's a 1x8x6 common board. This is pine wood. We were able to get 3 shelves out of this, but we only used 2 for our bathroom. We had these cut at Home Depot for free to be 2 feet wide. We started sanding these with a 150 grit sandpaper, which is a little bit more coarse, and then we finished with a 220 grit sandpaper to give them a really nice soft feel. You can sand these by hand, or if you have an electric sander, you can use that too. You always want to sand in the direction of the wood grain. For this project, we use a Minwax in an early American finish. It's an oil-based stain, and we just apply this with a foam brush. Again, you want to also go with the direction of the wood grain, and you want to apply a nice light coat. Don't put it on too heavy because then you'll get drips and it won't look very pretty. So do 1 coat and see what your coverage is like. If you want it to be darker, then you can apply a 2nd coat. In our case, we just did 1 coat because it was dark enough for our liking. After each coat, you want to wipe off the wood. We used an old t-shirt, which is lint-free, and wipe the excess stain off. One of the things that I love about these shelves is that they're really versatile. You can put them in any space in your home. In our case, we put them in our bathroom. I would suggest that you check out our bathroom makeover video that we posted before this so that you can see how we ended up using these shelves. We waited until the next day to put a polyurethane on this. This is the Rust-Oleum. It's a triple thick polyurethane, so it's supposed to be 3 coats in 1 coat. So we sprayed this on. This is going to be in a bathroom, so we wanted to make sure that it was going to be a wipeable surface and protected against any potential moisture. Next, it was time to put on the brackets. We got these brackets at Hobby Lobby. The regular price for them is $7.99, but we got them on sale for 50% off. So it was definitely an awesome deal, and they fit this size wood perfectly. I love the finish on them. The other thing that we did is got some wood screws. We got those at Home Depot. They're flathead wood screws, and we kind of pre-drilled holes a little bit after we measured where we wanted the brackets, and then went ahead and screwed them on. We decided to drill the holes 4 inches in from the outside edges. You also want to decide what side of the wood you want showing up and which one you want down. So keep that in mind when you are about to drill in, that you put it in the right position. It's so important to have a level, guys. I know a lot of people like to eyeball it, but I am a perfectionist when it comes to those things. So we used our level and marked off our holes and then put in our wall anchors. These are our favorite drywall anchors. We get these at Home Depot, and each one holds 50 pounds of weight. So these are definitely secure. It would mean so much to me if you would hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. I am a mama of 3 boys. We just had a baby 2 months ago, and I just love making these kinds of videos and videos about motherhood and cleaning and just doing things around the house. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And here's how it turned out, guys. I loved decorating these. It was so much fun to just put all these little jars and soap and things that we use for our bathroom. Make sure you check the description box. I linked all of the things that we used to make these. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!